students, hope so all of you will be fine. Today we will learn about chapter 4 factorization, HCF and LCM of class 6 mathematics. I will discuss the method of finding prime factors with you. Today we will discuss the prime factorization. First of all, we will discuss the definition of factorization, the resolution of a number into factors such that when multiplied together they give the original number. Resolution of a number into factors mean division or breakdown of a number into factors so that when we will multiply these all factors, they result into the original number. This method is called the prime factorization method. There are two methods for finding prime factors. One is tree method and the other one is division method. First of all, we will discuss the tree method. Here we will make a pair of original number with one prime number. Like 204 can be written as 2 multiplied by 102. Now here 2 is prime, we will leave it and we will further break 102 into other numbers like 2 and 51. Here 2 is prime, it cannot be break further, so we will leave it and we will break 51. 51 can be written as 3 multiplied by 17. 3 and 17 both are prime numbers, they cannot be break further, so here the numbers which are encircled with orange color, these are the prime factors of number 204. When we will multiply these prime factors like you are watching at the end, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17, we will get the original number which is 204. Now look at the division method. Here we are having three examples like 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. We will continue this process until we will left and at the end. Like here, when 1 is left, then the prime factors will end. Now the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Here 72, 2 36 are 72, then 36 will be again divided with 2, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Then these numbers 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3, these are called the prime factors of 72. Now the third number is 120, like 2 60s are 120, 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. All the side numbers like 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5, these are called the prime factors of number 120. When we multiply all these prime factors, we will get the original number. Here I have discussed both methods, tree method and other division method for finding prime factors of the number 36. You can see here